Hello everyone. Our topic is fiber to fabric. First of all, what is the difference in both the terms that are fiber and fabric? So fiber is a substance that is derived naturally from plants or chemically by some petroleum products. And when these fibers are twisted, then it leads to make some threads, and further these threads are arranged in horizontal and vertical pattern that is called fabric. Fabric is basically of two types: natural, that means like wool, cotton, jute and silk. The another one is synthetic, like nylon, polyester and rayon. So let's learn how these things are formed. First of all, cotton. It is derived from cotton plant, that is sown in black and alluvial soil requiring moderate rainfall. We have further steps to make fabric from this fiber. First of all, ginning. It is a process in which we just separate fibers from the seeds by combing it. Okay, and the next step is spinning. It is a process of making yarn from fiber by twisting the fibers is called spinning. After this, the last step is weaving. In this process, two sets of yarns are arranged together to form a piece of fabric. Next fiber we have wool. It is derived from the hair of sheep, yak and rabbit. This fiber requires a basic technique to make fabric that is called shearing, which means removal of wool from the sheeps. Afterwards, this fiber is twisting, knitting and weaving to turn into fabric. Now move to silk. Silk is a fiber that is derived from the cocoon of silkworms. Each worm spins a continuous thread up to 800 meters. The cocoon is boiled in water to kill the silkworm and then unwound to get silk fiber. The rearing of the silk for production of silk is known as sericulture. The next one we have jute. This is derived from the jute plant. To get jute fiber, stalks of this plant are tied into bundles and wetted in water for about 20 days. This just softens the stalks and then these are to hung up or spread out to dry for 2 to 3 days. At the last, fiber is separated from it in the mills. Let's move to our next topic, that is synthetic fiber. Basically, these are man-made fibers that are extracted by some chemicals. These are made from the polymers found in the natural gas and the byproducts of petroleum. Nylon and polyester are the examples of it. So basically, they are actually plastics made from chemicals that are obtained mostly from the petroleum. This plastic is first heated to melt it. It is then forced through a device called spinneret, which contains fine holes. By passing from these holes, fiber is made. So students, this is what for today. In the next video, we will learn something new. Till that, keep studying.